Hi guys, if you don't know me, my name is Jake and the channel you're watching, 787 Dude Who Loves Planes, is all about planes and aviation. In today's video I will be unboxing my three planes for my little model airport. As you know, I haven't been filming for a while, just because I wanted to take some time off YouTube just to focus on me and myself. So today I've got a British Airways Boeing 787-8, a limited edition Etihad A330-300 and a Singapore Airlines Airbus A380-800. They're all in 1 to 400 scale. So I think we're gonna start with the Airbus A380. Huge box. There will be two parts to this video. There's these first three planes, and then there will also be two more planes, which will be smaller size, but a lot smaller than these. Jeez, take it out. This plane is huge. It's very nice. Nice plane. Huge, although see what it's like compared to the other planes we have. I'm going to put it back in its box for the time being, so it's nice and safe, because I don't want to break it, because they are expensive, very expensive. They're not cheap planes. Okay, and then normally I would leave a British Airways plane to last, but as we have a limited edition today, I think I'm going to do it next. So you are able to just have a sneak peek inside, which is quite nice. So we have our 787 here. I don't have a little room on my desk, which is annoying. Move it back, right. Whew. Okay, so this is beautiful. Although a lot smaller than the A380, although this is scale sized, and it is supposed to be the size and stuff. Nice, very nice. Yeah, although it's so much smaller, because we get this A380 out, the size difference is crazy. But the thing is, that's what it looks like in real life. Like, not everyone's been to an airport, not everyone's flew on a plane, but if you see an A380 compared to some other planes, like an A320 for example, which I can tell you will be in my next video of unboxing planes, I'll do a comparison. It'll be so tiny, because you just saw this 787 compared to it. It's quite small. Now, for the Airbus A330-300 limited edition. A330s, I have to say, I don't talk about them a lot, although they are beautiful planes. They get used for quite a lot of military, especially here in the UK. A lot of A330s, A321s are used for military. That's like the type of plane they kind of focus on to have them. But that is the bottom of the aircraft. Then this is nice side. You have, get this out, it's on point. You have a nice red ring that goes round, and then you have a iconic Etihad tail with the UAE flag at the top going down, kind of like an Emirates, but not an Emirates. And at the bottom you have its double bogeyed wheels, that's what I like to call them. The iconic A330 engines. Yeah, nice. It's a beautiful plane. Whew. Just place it back in. Little holder. So now, as I have finished unboxing them, I'm going to put them down in my airport, and I will show you what it looks like after I have finished that. Okay, so I have placed them down on the airport. I'm just going to tidy up my desk real quick, put all the boxes away, open my curtain. Some natural light in here. Yeah, just putting these boxes away. So I think I might just so my next aircraft are a Airbus A320 and a 737, because just for like a smaller side. The next time I get any aircraft will more likely be more on the A321, A350, some of those. Maybe even a bit smaller. But yeah, so I've put the boxes away of all three aircraft. Unplug this and I will show you. Okay, so I didn't show you the little ground handling crew in the unboxing, but I got some and I've showed out like how it would be laid without an air bridge or a boarding bridge, however you like to call it. Just make sure you can see properly. And then I've got the Singapore A380 down there. And then over on the runway, I've got the Etihad A330. Sorry for any poor visibility that there is. I'm having to rely on a computer. That's the whole board, because my phone was out of charge and it won't seem to charge. Really weird. But so I'm having to do it on Chromebook. But it's fine. It's easier when I'm like here talking to you like this compared to trying to show you a airport board. But that's my 3 planes. Like I said, I'm getting, well, I've on order 2 more planes. So bring up for 5 total, just to start with. There are more on the model side of planes, although I'm going to play with them. I'm going to take off and stuff. Maybe make a couple stop motions out of them. So if you don't know what that is, it's if you scroll down all the way down from my third YouTube video, I made a stop motion movie. It's practically, if you don't know, where you take whole of the pictures and you move them along really small, so it looks like when you play it back, it just looks like it will move or go up or down, like whatever you want it to do. But I think easily I could do one with like that. The hardest part of it is takeoff and landing, because like you either attach strings to the aircraft, which on those are dangerous because like it could break and then it's just all break into pieces, or do the good old hand covered in a green thing so you can edit it out. Or yeah, just edit your hand out, which is annoying because sometimes you hit a bit of the plane and you have to go over again, undo it, and then try really nicely just to like get it so it's just your hand that goes out and none of the plane. Because imagine just the tip of the back wing just put off. Like, can you just imagine? We'll do it with 1 to 200 scale plane, but just imagine this isn't the model. It's taken off, and you just see like that of the back wing. So like, it's easy to hold it at one point. I wouldn't use this. I would use like the proper one. Or it's just easy to like hold it like that. It's quite a nice plane. Didn't review this one. This is just the model I got off for my birthday, thanks to my dad. Although those are bought. I was going to say something else. Oh yes. So I will do the unboxing when it comes. I think it should be here within the next week. So hopefully I can do it as soon as possible when it comes. Yes, if there is anything that you want me to try and do on this YouTube channel, put it in the comments on one of the videos that has comments. It's really weird because I can't turn the comments on. The place to comment is the New Year's special, the Airport City review, the game, and I believe that's it. There might be another one somewhere, but those 2 I definitely know you can comment on. So if you want to see anything, or if you want me to talk about more of any model planes that I have, or any subject, I will try and do my best and give you the most accurate facts that I know of. Yeah, so thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day, and like and subscribe, and like so I know that I'm not doing this for no reason and you actually like my videos, and subscribe because I'm trying to get to 50 subscribers by the end of the year. Hopefully I can reach that target, but I need you guys to help with that. Share to all your family and friends, and let them know of the 787 Dude Who Loves Planes channel. Yeah. So enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.